Even with AI, like it's super cool. Yeah, but the thing is that it's only as good as the data that it aggregates. If the data going in is not good, then whatever it is, their machine learning, whatever you want to call it. I like machine learning because that's what it is. But those algorithms aren't going to work because it's sort of like if you're running like a bread factory, industrial bakery where they're cranking out like loaves of bread. They do like 1 million loaves of bread in a day, and then instead of putting in like the batter and stuff, you put in like horse shit, and then you're like, I don't understand. Like we're not getting bread. And it's like, well, yeah, because you're not actually putting stuff to make bread. It's just horseshit. That's why you're getting like loaves of horseshit. So that's the same thing with AI and machine learning is that the information and the data that you put in into the algorithms, if it's garbage, that's what you'll get out of the end. You're not going to get loaves of bread. You're going to get loaves of horseshit. What that means is that the people have control over the information that's going into AI. So no matter what happens, it's not ever true AI and it will never be true AI because it is completely dependent on the information that human beings put into it.